Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to set up appointments on Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you've not already, after which it's going to open up this main page right here where you can get started logging into your account. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard right here. That's going to give us a preview of the websites we have, and what you want to do is open up the website you want to make the schedules and appointments for. So I'm going to open up my website right here, and after opening it up, it's going to open it up in this preview mode where I can take a look at my website, my products, content, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding appointments to your website. Basically, we have two ways. The first way is to add them directly into your website using our own editing mode. So I'm going to click the edit button right here at the top of the screen. That's going to open up this editing mode where I can manage my header, footer, and so on. And in this middle section, I can get started with adding a block. So I'm going to click the add block option. That's going to enable me to add a block I want to use. And what I can search for in the bar is for scheduling. You can use the calendar or appointments option as well, but scheduling is also one of the options you have. And if you click scheduling, guys, you can see to use this block, start an activity scheduling trial or connect existing accounts. You'll need an account with the scheduling application, and this is how you can get started with adding the scheduling appointments to your website. If you do not want to do it this way, what you can do is go ahead and add an application and extension such as the SQUIQ application. This is going to be an extension that you can use for syncing your inventory with the Square appointments and so on, or any other application that does a similar thing. It's going to be paid, so keep that in mind, but you can connect it to your store in this extension store, and after doing so, you can go ahead and see you will be able to find it in your website and get started making your appointments today. But those are two ways you can go for this. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.